Roosevelt eventually brought down Taft's presidency. Roosevelt eventually brought down Taft's presidency. The fight over Billy Possum and Teddy Bear was a small part of Roosevelt and Taft's conflicted relationship. The fight over Billy Possum and Teddy Bear was a small part of Roosevelt and Taft's conflicted relationship. Billy Possum flopped because of its lackluster story. People started mailing live possums to the White House. Newspaper headlines shouted, "Move over, Teddy Bear." Newspaper headlines shouted, "Move over, Teddy Bear." A Georgia toy company began manufacturing Billy Possums made from real possums. A Georgia toy company began manufacturing Billy Possums made from real possums. Taft was linked with possums because he liked to eat them. Roosevelt made the teddy bear incredibly popular.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.